Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable print page number on Microsoft WordPad. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable print the page number on WordPad, open WordPad and click on the File tab on upper left corner, and here go to Print and click on Print Preview, and look, the page number is set here. That means page number will automatically added on print. Now I am going to show you how to remove this page number. Click on Close Print Preview. Again click on File tab and then click on Page Setup. And here the last option is Print Page Number, and by default is selected. Just uncheck this option and then click on OK. Now again go to File tab, go to Print and click on Print Preview, and look, page number not showing here. That means page number is removed and the page number will not be print in my Microsoft WordPad. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.